down here at the end of the parking lot. Like trees and buildings.
Yeah, but I don't think they're moving too fast. Trees and buildings might be a little bit more.
That might be a problem.
Yeah, just a little bit. They're a little bit
got
more
the third gear that time.
stationary. That's good though. How's it feel now? I know you're taking off with a lot more speed now. Like you really in hot pursuit of something or somebody. You take over further out of there, man. You be gone.
Yeah, that's good.
So the weight and everything balanced, everything, all that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Back it up pretty good too.
Huh?
So that's a good size for you?
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, it feels good. Just have to see how I maneuver it.
So what do you have to say?
I can do all that.
What do you have to say to first or beginner riders?
Get on the Nicky Fricky and do it, baby.
Just do it, huh? That's all you got? Just do it.
That's all I got. Just do it.
Man, you're doing it. You're doing it well too. That's a good deal. Like I said, ain't nothing to fear but fear itself. And if you ain't got fear in your heart, you can do anything you want to do. That motorcycle will do what you tell it to do when you tell it.
Well, I got 1.0 on my trip.
That's good though. That's only for today. That's one more mile that you done racked up on that bad boy.
But that feels good.
Okay, good. So I'm going to end this session for just a moment. I think.